Wizard AI is a web-based design tool that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to automatically convert hand-drawn sketches and wireframes into high-fidelity designs for websites and mobile apps. Wizard AI aims to simplify and speed up the design process, allowing designers and developers to create high-quality designs in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional design tools. ColorMind AI is an online tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate color palettes for designers and artists. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze and learn from existing color combinations in images and artwork, and then creates new, unique palettes that can be used in a variety of creative projects. Envision is a digital product design and development platform that allows designers, developers, and stakeholders to collaborate and create high-quality digital products such as websites, mobile apps, and other digital experiences. Envision offers a suite of tools for design, prototyping, and collaboration, which are used by teams of all sizes across a variety of industries. Mockbliss is a user experience, UX, design and prototyping tool that allows designers to create interactive prototypes of websites, mobile apps, and other digital products. Mockbliss provides a range of design and collaboration features, making it easy for designers to create and share high-fidelity prototypes with stakeholders. Balsamiq is a rapid wireframing tool that allows designers and teams to create quick and simple low-fidelity wireframes of websites, mobile apps, and other digital products. Balsamiq is designed to be fast and easy to use, allowing designers to focus on the structure and functionality of a design, rather than on visual details.